Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, I mean, guys, it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, guys, Christmas is just around the corner. You have a couple more days for Christmas. And you know what I'm gonna make for you today, guys? Today, guys, I'm just making a simple little Christmas bar. This bar, I serve it for dessert during my Christmas breakfast. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. So guys, before we go any further, I want you to like, subscribe, hit my post notification bell so you know miss a post when I post, and also share my video. This is a good little bar. This is a good little Christmas bar for the family, you know, for make. It's easy for make, it not take no long time. You understand? It's like 15 minutes to put together and another 20 to 25 minutes for bake. Okay guys? So guys, let me go into the ingredients for Una. For sure now we're going to use and make the bar. I'm going to use 1/3 cup, this cup, 1/3 cup of small dark chocolate, small sprinkled chocolate chips, a 1/3 cup of pecan, and a 1/3 cup of white chocolate, little small ones, them chip, chocolate chip, a 1/3 cup of mixed nuts, and a 1/4 cup of cashew, 1/4 cup of cranberry, 1/4 cup of yellow raisin, a 1/2 cup of pistachio, and a 1/4 cup of walnut. So walnut, pecan, chocolate chip, dark chocolate chip, white chocolate chip. Okay, so that's the ingredients for the bar. So guys, for the bar now, what you need, you have to make the base, which is the bottom. So this is my baking can. So for my baking pan that I'm going to use for the bar. So to make the base, now for the base you need 2 cups of flour. You need a 3/4 cup of butter. And you need a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. So I'm gonna mix this together and crumble it and make like a crumbs they like, and then I'm gonna paste it down in a pan. So this is my butter, guys. I got my butter and I'm gonna cut it up just for so that it can crumble with the flour. So we have to cut it up, put it together with the flour so that everything can come together and crumble, you know. So what I like to do is I like to get it at room temperature and then cut it up like what I'm doing here now, and then put it in at the mix it and the butter and the flour and the sugar together and get it crumble, and then this way then it will be easier to press down in the pan. So you gotta do that first, and then we use that to put the filling in on it. So this is a very delicious bar with all of that nuts in there. Like if you love nuts, you're not supposed to be doing that on camera, but I love butter. I would eat a stick of butter. It's not good for you, but that's how I love butter. I am a butter lover. So this is how I did it, guys. I diced it. I hope you can see it. Hope you can see how I dice it up. Okay, then I'm gonna put it in here and I'm gonna throw the flour on it and the sugar. So I'm gonna just put the sugar in the flour and let's mix that up together. Yeah, and this is 2 cups. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So guys, while I'm mixing this, I'm gonna go away for a little bit and I'm gonna mix this together and come back and show you how it goes. Guys, I went and put on my gloves because I need to use my hands. So I put on my gloves to do that. If you have a food processor, you can put it in the food processor and the food processor will let it go faster. I don't have a food processor, so I just have to use my hand to do it, okay? Yeah, and you guys can see the crumbling, how it's crumbling. You know, you can see how it's crumbling. But This is a very nice bar. You have people guests coming over for Christmas dinner. It's good to serve to them, you know, and they will enjoy it. I have my nephew, my husband nephew. Him love this. Like when I make this, and if he come here during Christmas time, it's like he would have eat the whole thing. My little sister from another mother, she's the same thing too. She loved this. If I hear come, I didn't make it last year, and she said, "Where's the bar? No bar this year." So I make sure she have bar this year, you know. And my husband, Papa Harry, never used to like it. At least he never tried it. Him always knocking it, saying, "Oh, cause I always make it the day before Christmas, you know." Them always said, "You're doing too much, you're making so much." And then I give him a taste, cause I make a bar already. I have a fresh one. I have one that I make already that I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just showing you guys the process of how to do it. So you can see, oh my gosh, look how crumbled this is. It's crumbled very nicely. And then I've got to spray the pan and put it over evenly. I hope you guys, let me see if you guys can see. Show you guys how it's crumbled. This is what it looked like, the way it crumbled. That's it. So now I'm gonna spray up my baking sheet and spread it all over it. So I'm gonna spray up my baking pan. Now I'm gonna put my baking sheet down. And then I am also gonna put a little spray on the sheet just so that it doesn't stick. Okay, and then now you're gonna put your crumble on. Yeah, put your crumble on, and then you spread it out evenly. So I have my oven now. My oven is on 350. So when this is done, I'm gonna bake this at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. So as I'm here and I'm pressing it down, I gotta press it down so till it press down nice and evenly and firm. So I'm gonna put the oven at 350 and I'm gonna put it in for bake. So I'm gonna let this bake. Okay, so while the crust is baking, I'm gonna do the topping. So for the topping now, I need 2 eggs. For the topping, I need 2 eggs. Whisk this together, and I have a half a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup, 3/4 of a cup, yeah, of corn syrup. So this is for my topping, guys. I'm telling you guys, this is a very delicious, it's a delicious bar. Worse if you love nuts, cranberry, raisins, you know, pecan, walnut, cashew, pistachio nuts. Yes, I gotta blend these, combine these together. Kind of stiff on the hand, you know, kind of stiff on the hand a bit. If you have some elbow grease and some muscle in the hand. I'm gonna pour in my chocolate chip. Put in my chocolate chip, my cashew. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna get a knife and I'm gonna split this up a little, like break this up a little bit because them is so big. The raisin is fine, the cranberry is fine, but like the cashew and the walnut, oh, the walnut is fine, this is good, and the white chocolate is good too. You can put all of those in. So I'm gonna have to break up the pecans. Pecans, them big. This is a big chopper. Yes, I'm just gonna chop up this a little bit. This is a loaded nuts we're making. Loaded nuts. Look at this, guys. Look at it. I said I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of vanilla in it. Add a little bit of flavor to it. I made this before and I've never put vanilla in there, and I said, you know what, in time I make it again, I'm gonna try half a teaspoon of vanilla to see if it give it any give it a flavor. And this is not vanilla this is vanilla extract. Vanilla, not those not the artificial one, the vanilla itself. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. So now, guys, I'm gonna throw my topping on. Okay, let it spread. So let's spread this out now. Okay, we're gonna spread this out, and then we're gonna bake it for half an hour to around 40 minutes. You know, you can put an extra 10 minutes on it. It all depends on how your oven is. My pistachio nut bar, guys. So I'm gonna put this in the oven now and let it bake, guys. And then I'll be back to show you guys the finishing product. So remember, guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And guys, please share my video. And thank you, guys. Thank my YouTube family, my YouTube supporter. And I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm not gone yet, I'll be back, but I'm just because Mama Joan sometimes she don't remember what she need to say. So this is like I remember it now. Me, I say it now, my friend. I'm a family, so I'll be back. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and I will see you guys in a half an hour. Okay, here we go. One inside, they go bubble up. So guys, I take it out the oven. Oh, it's still hot. It's hot. So this is what it looks like. So guys, here it is. That's the Christmas nut bar. So guys, come to the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. So now you gotta make it cool, and when it cool, you just use a knife and slice it and cut it up and just put it on a tray when it cool. Okay, or if you have one of those sharp scissors, it's better if you have a sharp scissor, so you just use the sharp scissors and just cut it. Okay guys, so there it is. All right, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.